Hello everyone, welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. So let's start. In this tutorial, I am gonna show you how to make like this leaf pendant. So let's start. First of all, take a rectangle of 20 millimeter because I need to make this pendant in 20 millimeter. Okay. Now take the curved interpolated points. Turn out the mid and make the basic shape of leaf. Do the smooth. Turn on the gamble. Do it rotate, turn on copy from here and 180 degree like this. And now turn on the point. First remove with less point like 10 point or something. Turn on the point and take a gamble and move this point out. Yeah, that's looking much better. Okay, do it, rebuild again and move this point like this and this also. Yeah. Now take a line, turn on the end and do it shift to L. To add slash. Now it's time to do offset surface. Offset surface and thickness I want 0.8 millimeter. Okay. Before doing offset surface, I want to do some cage edit. Select this point and move this up like this around 1.5 millimeter and again select all of these middle points and move this up like this and select all these points and move up like this. Yeah, it's perfect. Now do it offset surface 0.8 millimeter and extract this surface. Turn off copy, select and delete. Before deleting, take an ISO curve like this. Now delete this surface and rebuild this curve with odd number like 11, 13. I want doing this 17 point. Okay. Okay. Now I select the midpoint and move this up and select this point. Select alternate point. Like this and this like this. Okay, it's fine. Now move this in the direction of the dome. You can also select this point. Move this also. Move this like this and this like this. Yeah, Now do it rebuild around 20 point or more. Do 30 point. It's fine. Let's do it stick to rail. Now we have two surface. Let's do a merge. Okay. Now remove this iso curve. For removing this iso curve, just go in the panel, object property, and uncheck this box and delete all curve. Select all of this and join, and select these two edge and do it loft. Okay. Rotate this piece. Also some like this. Yeah, that's perfect. Let's make a loop, back loop. Rotate and do the scale 1D and do it mirror. Here it's coming out. Move this point down like this. And do it pipe of 0.8 millimeter. Yeah, it's perfect. Rotate this a bit more like this. Let's do it flat. Do it 0.1. Yeah, it's perfect. Let's change the color. Okay, so your pendant is ready. I hope you like this pendant. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment box. Also likes, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.